Upcoming specs and features of Galaxy J8 2018. An unannounced smartphone that goes by the model number Samsung SMJ720F has just popped up in benchmark listings, and we believe this device is likely to be named Galaxy J8. The original Galaxy J7 is also known as Samsung SM710F, while the last year Galaxy J7 has another model number SM730F. Basically, the new smartphone's model number is in between the two Galaxy J series handsets that are already available on the market. Among the most interesting specs, the alleged Galaxy J8 2018 is supposed to offer, there's Android 8.0 Oreo and 4GB RAM. Also, the smartphone will be equipped with a 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7885 processor, and 32GB expandable storage. On the back, the upcoming phone is said to pack a 12-megapixel camera, while in the front there should be a secondary 8-megapixel selfie snapper. The 5.5-inch display with HD 720p resolution could be a mistake since it doesn't come in line with the rest of the phone's specs. Perhaps a full HD 1080p display would be much more suitable for such a device. It's yet unclear when exactly the new Samsung Galaxy J series smartphone will be unveiled, but in terms of specs, this seems to be very similar to the new Galaxy A8 2018, so its price might be pretty high for a middle-class phone. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.